Today we are discuss about LCM, HCFs and products of two number. Today we are discuss LCM, HCFs and product of two number. Full practice. LCM, HCF and products of two number. Product of two number. Whole concept. Product of two number. Today we are going to understand all questions about LCM, HCFs and product of two number. This is also important question. LCM, HCFs and product of two number. If LCM and HCF is given, then find out product of two number. If product of two number is given and also HCF is given, then find out LCM. If HCFs and product of two number is given, then find out LCM. Likewise, these types of questions is asked against and against. Now we'll discuss from the question number one. First and foremost, I will give from the questions we can discuss. Then I will provide you some tips and tricks for solving these questions. Question number one is that the product of the product of two number is the product of the two number is the product of the two numbers is the product of two numbers is 432. Find their LCM if HCM is 6. The product of the two number is 432. Find their LCM if HCM is 6. Suppose we will give you some option 63, B number is 72, C number is 81, D number is 91. So the question said that the product of the two number is 432. So I will give you solution. Product of two number is 432. I'll write product of two number is product of the two number product of the two numbers is equal to 432 is mentioned, and find the LCM if HCM is given. There is HCM is given. HCM is given. HCM is that 6, and the unknown value is LCM. What? The unknown value LCM is equal to what? Now we have one formula to solve all question of LCM, HCFs and product of two number. That formula is this: product of two number product of two number is equal to LCM into HCM. The product of two number is equal to LCM into HCM. LCM into HCF. That LCM into HCF. Yes, LCM into HCF. The product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. So, and the product of two number is given 432. The product of two number is given 432 is equal to, and LCM is given. LCM we have to find, and HCF is equal to 6. That HCF is equal to 6. So 432 divided by 6. 432 divided by 6 is equal to LCM. So LCM is equal to this divided by this. 432 divided by 6 we have to do. We have to do 432 divided by 6, that is 72 is the LCM. LCM is that 72. 72 is the LCM. We have to find LCM. So the answer is B is the correct answer. LCM, HCF and product of two number if you find, then you have to apply this formula. Product of two number is equal to LCM into HCM. This you have to read. This you have to read. Mrs. Shivani Sharma. Nice. And the question number is 2. Question number is 2. That question number is 2. The product of two number. The product of two number. The product of the two number is 2160 and their HCF is 12. Their HCF is 12. Find their LCM. HCF is 12. Then find their LCM. We have to find LCM. Option number is 120. Option number B is 160. Option number C is 180. Option number D is 200. The product of two number is 2160 and their HCF is 12. Find their LCM. So the we have to do solutions. The product of two number is 2160. Product of two number is 2160. So product we have to do. Product of two number is product of two number is equal to 2160s and HCF is 12. HCF is 12. LCM what? LCM is equal to what? Now we will do by this formula. Now I have one formula to solve all these questions about LCM, HCF and product of two number. Then product of two number, product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. Product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. So the product of two number is that 2160 is equal to LCM is unknown and HCF is mentioned 12. So 2160 divided by 12 is equal to LCM, and we have to do divide. We have to do divide. We have to do divide. 2160 divided 12. That is 180 is the correct answer. 180. 180 is equal to LCM. So 180 is the right answers of this question. So the answer goes on option C. And we'll discuss question number 3. We'll discuss question number 3. We'll discuss question number 3. Question number 3. We'll discuss question number 3. Now, question number 3 is that. Question number 3 is that the product the product the product of two numbers the product of the two numbers is the product of the two number is 2560 and their LCM is 320. Find their HCF. Find their HCF. We have these questions and option number is 8 suppose. B number is 6. C number is 4. D number is suppose 10. Then how to find these types of questions? By tricks. We know that the product of two number is mentioned 52560 and LCM is 320 and find their HCF. Then we have formula. We have direct formula. Product of two number. Product of two number is equal to product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF to solve direct. And the product of two number is 2560 is mentioned. 2560 is mentioned and LCM is 320. LCM also mentioned 320 and find out HCF. So we have to divide 2560 divide 320 is equal to HCF. So HCF we have to do divide. We have to do divide 2560 2560 divide 320 is equal to 8 is equal to 8 is equal to 8. So 8 is the HCF. The correct answer is option number A is the correct answer. Option number A is the correct answer. Let's see move some question number 4. The HCF of two number. The the HCF of two number. The HCF of the two number is 145. The HCF of the two number is 145 and 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 their their LCM is 2175. If one of them, if one of the numbers, if one of the numbers, if one of the numbers is 7 to 5, if one of the number is 7 to 5, find the other number. This types of question is asking again and again. Find others numbers. Find others number. Then we have area solution. This HCF is mentioned. The HCF of the two number is 145. Then HCF is mentioned 145 and the LCM is also mentioned. LCM is also mentioned 2175. Now, if one of the number is 7 to 5, let the number be A and B. So, if one number is 7 to 5, then let A number is 7 to 5 and B number is what? We know that this formula, we know that we know that product of two number. We know that product of two number. We know that product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. So product of two number means A into B. A into B is the product of two number and that LCM into HCF. So A is mentioned 7 to 5 and B we have to find the value of unknown value is B and LCM is also given 2175 and LCM HCF is also mentioned 145. Then we have to B is equal to this product divided by 7 to 5. 2175 into 145 divided by 7 to 5. This is the value of another number. That another number is B and we have to do calculate and that the final calculation is the answer divided by 7 to 5. So the option is 435. So the option goes on 435. 435. 435 is the right answer. 435 is the right answer and we'll go discuss on question number 5. We'll discuss on question number 5. We'll go on question number 5. Question number 5. The HCF, the HCF of two number, the HCF, the HCF of two number, the HCF of two number is 48. The HCF of two number is 48. The HCF of two number is 48, and their LCM and their LCM is 240. Find the product of number. Find the product of the numbers. Find the product of the numbers. Find the product of the numbers. Suppose A is 1152, B number 11522, C number 11523, D number suppose none. Then how can you find the product of two number? We have shortcut formula. Solution: if HCF of two number is 48, yes, and LCM is also given, HCF and LCM is given, then we have to directly multiply for the product of two number. So HCF is mentioned, the HCF of two number is 48. So HCF is the 48, and their LCM is also mentioned. LCM is also mentioned 240. Now find the product of two number. We have direct formula. Product of two number. Product of two number means LCM into HCF. You have to read this formula. The product of two number means LCM into HCM, and LCM is mentioned 240 into HCF is also mentioned 48. So if you multiply this, then you will get the answer 240 into 48. That will be the correct answer. That will be the 11520 is the correct answer. 11520. So the option A is the correct answer. So the option A is the correct answer. Now let's we move on question number 6. That help us to build your confidence. Question number 6. If the products, if the product of two numbers, if the product of two numbers is 3 to 4, and their HCF is 3, if HCF is 3, then find LCM. So option A is 972, option B is 3 to 7. Randomly we have to put option number D is 108. Then how to find the LCM? To find LCM, we have to first, what the question is say, if the product of two number is mentioned, product of two number is mentioned 3 to 4, and HCF is also mentioned, find the LCM. We have relation. Product of two number, product of two number, you have to memorize this formula, LCM into HCF, LCM into HCF. So product of two number is mentioned, that is 3 to 4, that is 3 to 4 is equal to HCF is 3, and we have to find out this LCM, and HCF is 3. So 3 to 4 divided by 3 is equal to LCM. If you divide this value, you will get value of LCM. Divide 3 to 4, 3 to 4 divided by 3 is equal to 108. So LCM, the value of LCM is 108. The value of the LCM is 108 is the correct answer. So the option D is the right answer. So the option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Now we'll go on question number that 6 is complete, and we have to go on question number 7. We have to go on question number 7. Let's we move on question number 7. Question number 7, that is important question. The product of two, that is rational, little bit different. The product of two rational numbers is, the product of the two rational numbers is 5 by 8. If one of them, if one of them, if one of them is minus 3 by 20, find other. Find other. The product of the two rational number is 5 by 8. If one of them is minus 20, minus 3 by 20, find the other number. So I will give one options. Minus 25 by 6. B number is 26 by 5. C number is 6 by 25. D number is minus 6 by 25. Now we will do solutions. We will do solutions. That the product of two number is 5 by 8. So product is mentioned. Product is equal to 5 by 8. And if one of them is minus 3 by 20, it means one number is, one number is also mentioned. One number is minus 3 by 20. And what is the other number? So now other number means you have to find product by one number, that goes on other number. Other number formula means product by one number. There is mention product by one number, that product is 5 by 8. 5 by 8, that divided by one number, it means you have to divide minus 3 by 20. So 5 by 8 into that division, if you do multiply, then this goes on up and minus 3 goes on down. That means you have to do minus 20 by 3. Then minus 5 into minus 20 means minus 100. Divide by 24, and we will divide 25 into 400 and 6. 6 into 4, 24. So the answer is minus 25 by 6. The answer is minus 25 by 6. So options A is the correct answer. Options A is the correct answer. Options A is correct answer. Option A is correct answer. And we'll go on question number 8. Now we'll move on question number 8. Question number 8. Suppose the product of two number. Suppose product of two number is, product of two number is, the product of two number is 1320 and HCF is 6. What is the LCM of this number? What is the LCM of this number? What is the LCM of this number? Option number is like this. Yes. Then if the question is mentioned like this, the product of the two number is 1320 and HCF is 6. So what is the LCM of this number? Yes, we have to do this. Product of two number is this and HCF is mentioned. So then what is the value of LCM? Then we have direct formula. Product of two number, product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. You have to memorize. The product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF, and that product of two number is mentioned. 1320 is equal to, you have to find the LCM. So LCM is the unknown, and if HCF is already mentioned, that is 6. So if you find LCM, then 1320 divided by 6, it become LCM, that you have to divide 1320 divided by 6, then you'll get the value of, LCM. 1320 divided by 6, that is 220. That is 220 is equal to LCM. So where is the option 220? The option is A. That will be the correct answer of these questions. And I will discuss this another question. I will discuss one another question about these topics. The LCM of two number. The LCM of two number is 182. The LCM of two number is 182, and their HCF and their HCF is 13, and their HCF is 13, and their HCF is 30. If if one of the number, if suppose if one of the number is if one of the number is 26, how to find the other number? Find other number. Find others number. Find other number. How can you find? Yes, we have idea to find these types of questions. Suppose I will mention, I will give like this option. 90 is the options. B number 91, C number 92, D number 93. If LCM of the two number is 182, if LCM of the two number is 182 and their HCF is 13, if one of the number is 26, find the other number. Let's will do direct solutions. We have solution. So we have to do first product of two number, then direct answer will come. That is only formula to solve all the question of LCM, HCF and product of two number. Then product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. Yes, LCM into HCF. So product of two number means A into A and B are the product of two number. Well, you have to do product A into B. We have to do product A into B. That is LCM into HCF. And product of two number, product of two number where one of the number is 26 means the value of A is mentioned. Value of A is 26, and we have to find the other number, that the other number is B. That the other number is B, and LCM is already mentioned. That LCM and HCF is mentioned. If the LCM of two number is this LCM and HCF is this, the product of two number is already mentioned. That LCM is 182 and HCF is 13 mentioned. So we have to find the value of B. If you find the value of B, then you have to product this and divided by this 26. We have to product this and divided by this 26. Then we have to use the calculators to finding this value of product of find the value of other numbers. That 182 into 13 divided by 26. The answer goes on 91 is the correct answer. 91 is the correct answer. Answer is 91. So the other numbers is 91 is the correct answer. So 91, you have to memorize only one formula to hack the SAT, to hack the Olympic question, to hack the hacking the competitive exam. That only one formula. Product of two number means if one number is given as this B means other number is unknown. If the value of LCM is given, HCF is given, and this one number is given, and question is asking find other number, then you have to do like this one number is A, another number is B, and LCM is mentioned, HCF is mentioned. If three of them is mentioned like HCM, LCM, and one number is mentioned, then we have to find direct other number. Let the other number be A. You have to find like this. If one number is also given, another number is also given, LCM is given, uh, question is mentioned, find HCF, then you have to like this. There one number is mentioned, another number is mentioned, LCM is also mentioned, find the HCF. Another case, if product of two number is given, A into B is given, S and LCM is given, find HCF. Athwa direct, if only LCM and HCF is mentioned, find the product of two number. You have to do direct product. If question is asking product of two number means, then only you have to do this product of LCM into HCF. That will go the correct answer to finding these questions. Another case is that in MCQ asking which one of the following is the correct relationship of product of two number, then you have to tick the answer. Only LCM into HCM is the correct product of two number. You have to do like this. And this question is asking in all over the competitive exams, and this is also one of the most important questions to hack the competitive exam. SAT, Olympiad, very important topics. Today I'll teach to explain all these questions about LCM, HCFs and product of two number. Let's thank you for the today, and you have to do subscribe, like, comment, and share your friend. Okay, try to help other. Try to subscribe these channels. It will be helpful to you to get your score, desired score. Yes. Thank you to all of you for watching.